Alright guys, so we're working on 2009 Honda Fit and we're going to be replacing the dome light today, okay? So to replace these, you're going to be using a 28mm and it's going to be our Lasfit Festoon, okay? So it'll look like this one or the one in there, so it'll come in these kind of packets, a 2-set, okay? So for this dome light, you only need one. So your stock bulbs will look like this, okay? And they're pretty much going to be going in here. So you can see it's the same size of it, so you want to get the 28mm, okay? So pretty much to remove this, when it's installed, you want to start from the back, don't start from the front, okay? So there's two little indentations on these edges. Just put something flat here, like a small flathead screwdriver or a trim remover, a plastic trim remover that can fit in here, and just pop them out carefully and it just comes off, okay? So to get to this one, they're pretty easy. You just pretty much just make sure your power is off and just pop them off and pop in the new one, okay? And this is how they look. So it's a big difference, okay? So turn it off. Comes off that easy. Just a comparison, just so you can see how the stock bulbs look like. That's your stock bulb. And that's LED. So if you have any questions and you need help, let us know. We're more than happy to help you out. Other than that, thank you for watching. Beautiful morning.